Okay, so we have Xander upside down on the dash because he's definitely the smallest and lightest one and most flexible here. And see this red? Here, wiggle that red. And see that harness there? That's red, black, and green, and it's the same green as the tach signal. So we're fairly certain at this point that this red is the power to the tach. So hopefully this is a simple fix and I'm not rewiring the whole damn car that people didn't properly wire the first time. So we're gonna go fishing and see what we got. Okay, so that wire Scotty and Xander and I were all talking about, I plugged it in on a end of a fuse. It's like there's half of a fuse mount in the fuse block. So I plugged it in, and when you hit the key, that's promising. So let's fire it up, see what it does. Hey, look at that.
There we go.
All right, let's let it run a little bit and see if it behaves. But so far, so good. Telling Xander, I love having a tach that works. So we're gonna go for a little drive, and we're gonna go. We won't hit the freeway, but we'll stay kind of local, and we'll go 65. We'll see what RPM we're turning in fifth, because now we can have the conversation of what rear gear do we want. All right, so trying to get us up to speed here. Okay, we're in fifth, going 65 miles an hour, and we're spinning right about 1,800 RPM. So on the highway, you could be spinning 2,100, 2,200, it'll be okay in the overdrive. So it's got a 3.0 gear right now. I'd like to see us go maybe 340 or 350, but we'll do a little RPM calculator when we get back to the shop. But now that we have a working tach, we know what we got going on. So that's good.